Good morning, dear students. Yesterday I have discussed the quadratic equation. I have given you the two methods to solve the quadratic equation. I know that all of you are keeping well. Today I am going to discuss the third part of the quadratic equation and how to find the solution. Let us see. Suppose I am writing the equation x square plus 5x x square plus 5x minus 14 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Certainly I have told you yesterday that its degree is 2. That is why this is called the quadratic equation and the second degree equation. This is called the quadratic equation. And suppose if I am writing only x square plus 5x minus 14, then this is a quadratic polynomial. And x square plus 5x minus 14 equal to 0, this is a quadratic equation. As the degree is 2, it means the solution will be 2, answers will be 2, roots will be 2, or zeros will be 2. Now let us see how to solve this equation. Sign of this implies, I am going to ask you something. 14 ones are 14, the coefficient of x square is 1 here, coefficient of x is 5 here. This is the constant term. What are those numbers? Their multiplication is 14. 14 ones are 14. And on addition or subtraction, it gives 5. Now I am only having the numbers 7 to the 14. Now the question is this. What should be the sign of 5, 7 and what should be the sign of 2? See, suppose if I am writing here 7 into 2. So 7 to the 14. And if I am writing the sign of the 7 is plus and sign of the 2 is minus. So 7 to the minus 14 is there. Okay, you are getting minus 14. And 7 minus 2 means plus 5. You know very well, whenever the plus and minus sign is there, bigger number में से smaller number जो है आपको minus करते हैं and sign will be of the greater number. You subtract it, 7 minus 2 is 5 and sign is of the greater number and greater number is plus, therefore the answer will be plus 5. Now x square plus 7x minus 2x minus 14 is equal to 0. Sign of this implies these two terms. Here you can take x common, inside the bracket x plus 7, this is x plus 7. Now here minus 2x minus 14. It means 2 is common, 2 7 the 14. Here 2, 2 1 the 2. It means you can take minus 2 common. Here you are getting x plus 7. Here also you will get x plus 7 is equal to 0. See, minus 2 into x, minus 2x, minus 2 into plus 7, minus 14. Now again, x plus 7 you can take common. So x plus 7 common. Another bracket, x minus 2 is equal to 0. Either x plus 7 is equal to 0. You can write x is equal to minus 7. And x minus 2 is equal to 0. It means x is equal to 2. And the solution will be minus 7 comma 2. And the solution is minus 7 comma 2. Again I would like to explain you. This is x square plus 5x minus 14. What are those numbers? Their multiplication is 14. It means minus 14. And or addition or subtraction it gives 5. So I am only having the pair 7 to the 14 plus 7 and minus 2. So plus 7 minus 2 becomes minus 14 multiplication and 7 minus 2 means 5. So x square plus 7x minus 2x minus 14 equal to 0. X common, x plus 7. Minus 2 common, x plus 7 equal to 0. X plus 7 again common. In the another bracket, x minus 7. Either x plus 7 equal to 0. Transfer plus 7 on this side. So x is equal to minus 7. And x minus 2 equal to 0. X is equal to 2. Just all of you write the solution. In 1 minute, I am taking the another example. Now I am taking, suppose this is the question. X square plus 2x minus 80 equal to 0. This is the question. X square plus 2x minus 80 is equal to 0. Now I am asking you, tell me what are those numbers, their multiplication is minus 80 and plus or minus it gives 2. Somebody will tell me, sir, 10 8 is 80. Okay, now the question is this, what should be the sign of 10 and what should be the sign of 8? 10 8 is 80 you got. But somebody will tell me, sir, 16 5 is also 80 is there. Suppose if you are getting 16 into 5. So 16 into 5, 80 is there. But if you subtract 16 minus 5, you get 11. You don't want 11 here. You want here 2. It means suppose if you are taking now 10 into 8. So 10 8 is 80. Yes, 10 8 is 80. 10 into 8, 80. And 10 minus 8 means 2. Now the question is, what should be the sign of 10 and what should be the sign of 8? Suppose if you are taking sign of 8 is negative. Sign of 8 is negative and sign of 10 is positive. So 10 into 8 minus 80 and 10 minus 8 means 2. It means what are the numbers? 10 and minus 8. Sign of this implies x square plus 10x minus 8x minus 80 equal to 0. These two and these two. X common in the bracket x plus 10 minus 8 common x plus 10 is equal to 0. See, x into x, x square, x into 10, 10x, minus 8 into x, minus 8x, minus into plus, minus. Now again x plus 10 common, x plus 10 common. In another bracket, this is x and this is minus 8. So x minus 8 is equal to 0. So you will write x plus 10 is equal to 0. It means x is equal to minus 10. And here x minus 8 is equal to 0. It means x is equal to 8. Hence the solution is minus 10 comma 8. This is the solution. X is equal to minus 10 comma 8. Have you got it? Let us see now again. 10 8 is 80. 10 minus 8, 2. X into bracket x plus 10. X common, x plus 10. Minus 8 common, x plus 10. X plus 10 again common, x minus 8 equal to 0. X plus 10 equal to 0. X is equal to minus 10. And x minus 8 equal to 0. X is equal to 8. Just I am giving you 1 minute time. Just you note down. Now, again the question I am taking. X square plus x minus 30 equal to 0. The coefficient of x square is 1 here. The coefficient of x is 1 here. This is constant term minus 30 equal to 0. Now my question is, what are those numbers? Their multiplication is 31 are 30 and plus or minus it gives 1. Now somebody will tell me, sir, 10 3s are 30 is there. Okay, 10 3s are 30. This is 10 and this is 3. 10 into 3 is 30 is there. This is 30. But if you subtract 10 minus 3, 10 minus 3 means 7, which you don't want here. Now you can tell me the other numbers. Somebody will tell me, sir, 15 2s are 30. Okay, 15 and this is 2. So 15 2s are 30 is there. But if you subtract 15 minus 2, 13, which you don't want here. Now another number, the pair of number is 6 into 5. Yes, 6 into 5 is 30 and 6 minus 5 is 1. It means what should be the sign of 6? Positive. And what should be the sign of 5? Negative. Now let us see. X square plus 6x minus 5x minus 30 equal to 0. This implies these two terms, x common, x plus 6. Now minus 5 common, x plus 6 is equal to 0. X plus 6, x plus 6. You can again take x plus 6 common, x plus 6 common, and inside the bracket x minus 5 is equal to 0. And the solution is x plus 6 is equal to 0. It means x is equal to minus 6. And here x minus 5 equal to 0. X is equal to 5. And the solution is minus 6 comma 5. Now you note down. Now I am giving you some questions for the practice. You can solve. Let us see how. Now I am giving you some questions. Just you solve. X square minus 2x minus 80 equal to 0. Second question is x square minus x 1x minus 90 equal to 0. Third question is x square minus 7x minus 8 equal to 0. Fourth question is x square minus 5x minus 14 equal to 0. These are the questions based on the yesterday's lecture. Now today here x square plus 5x minus 50 equal to 0. 6 is x square plus 6x minus 40 equal to 0. Now these two questions are based on the today's lecture, 5th and 6th, and 1 to 4 questions are based on yesterday's lecture. See here, x square minus x minus 90 equal to 0. It means what are those numbers? You can get 10 9 the 90. 10 will be negative and 9 will be positive. Clear? I hope that you will do. Have a nice day. Thank you.